Just gave him some meds. Got really bad mange, this guy. I just gave him some medication. And he's eating in front of our shop. Ne haber? Nasılsın sen? Hı? Dur. Here we go. This guy gets treatment done now. He's gone heaps better. I give him canned food whenever I see him. I've given him about 4 shots now, so he was a lot worse. He's looking really good now. He's got his fur growing back. I'll feed him, give him proper food. I've given him about 3-4 injections now, so he's doing very well. I reckon this guy will be better in no time. Çok kötü. Look at that, he's already gone better. Çok kötüydü, tam siyahtı. Heaps better, look at that, look at the progress on that. This dog here, he's got mange. He always comes to front of my office. I've given him an injection about 4 or 5 times. Each time he comes, I give him an injection. So I'm going to give him another one now. So I trick him with the food. He was really bad. He was like more black, exactly like, he looked like a bit like El Chapo. So now he's getting heaps better. I'm going to do another needle for him now. Okay, so I'm giving this dog Ivomec. I'm going to give him another set of canned food. Okay, so I give him another set of canned food, and then hopefully I can get the injection in him again. That's it. This guy's had so many injections now. Big progress. So next time we see him, he's going to look a lot more better than that, a lot more healthy. Okay, progress again. See the fur, how it's come back. This guy's looking really good. There we go. Even better today. Every day is looking heaps better. Look at that. Does medication. It is working very well. Remember this swine? Come. Look at the fur. Look out. Get. This one. She always comes. See all the fur? She always comes here and always give her an injection and I give her some food. Look how much she's improved in the mange. It's all gone. It's basically all gone. Look at all that. It was all skin. She's looking very good, very good. This guy's playing with her too. She's just got a little bit left here. And a little bit there. Yeah, bro. Looking excellent. See all the regrowth? It's just got a little bit of a patch there and there, but other than that,